All right, guys, here we are, the park.
Oh, this is gonna be insane.
Yeah, I know.
Reach it to the top of the swirly slide.
Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, Tails. I think we need to do the monkey bars first because I'm buff.
Yeah. I mean, I can fly, so I won't fall.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna go searching for trinkets and noodles. Okay, then. I'll just follow the others.
I think I'm winning. Wait, where's Shadow?
Gotta take the shortcut.
Shadow, how'd you get up here so fast?
I used the shortcut. Better hurry, Sonic.
Oh, crap. I made it down. I won.
I was right behind you. I won.
No, you were behind me. What do you mean?
No, I was in front. I win.
Man, you're just stupid. You're just salty. Ow. I hate you. Here we are, Tails. The monkey bars.
Yeah.
You ready?
Look at those.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go first. All right. Watch this. Oh my god, I'm so tired.
You got this, Knuckles. You got it. You can do it. Come on, you have 2 more. 1 more, Knuckles. Come on, please. You got it. You did it.
Let's go.
Guess it's my turn.
Hey, you cheated.
You never said I couldn't do that.
Man. Suck, bro.
Oh, I couldn't find any trinkets, so I'm gonna have to do this. Oh, no, it's shaky. Oh, okay. Oh, no. No. Okay, break. Okay, 3 more. Okay, come on. All right, here we go. Time for the slide. That was fun. All right, Sonic. I want a rematch.
Really?
Yes, because you cheated last time.
I did not.
Don't think I didn't see you take the stairs.
Yeah, sure.
We're racing down these.
Okay, but you're taking the crappy one.
Of course I had to have the poop slide. You're putting me at a disadvantage.
Yeah, whatever. Let's just race down them.
All right,
you ready?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2.
Mine! What? I win!
Hey, you cheated!
No, I didn't.
Wait, allow! What the heck? That's karma.
Maybe, but next time I'll win.
Yeah, sure. Hey, Sonic? My tummy hurts. Can we go home? You know what, Knuckles? It is probably a good time to go home. So what do you guys say we head out?
Too afraid of round 3, I see.
No, Shadow. I just want to go home. Yay, home!